learning has happened informally in a fun way, which I think they absorb it in a very casual way, but it is retained and it could be applied also by many of them in some kind of a situation wherever it is required.
हम बॉक्स बनाएंगे और हमें जो ये मिला है हम उसे अंदर डाल देंगे और उसे ऊपर से कवर कर देंगे.
When the children do it with themselves, they have the liberty and the freedom to do what they want, and explore. So they could go wrong, they could go right. So they learn it by making mistakes. So that is going to be retained on a long-term basis.
You make me feel